Say happy Vlogmas, everyone. Say happy Vlogmas. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas. Happy Tuesday. It is the very first day of December, finally. It is about, well, it's now 5 minutes after 9, and Kaya just went down for her first nap of the day because she just ate. So I figured I would go ahead and get started with the vlog. I am getting ready to actually eat breakfast now because I haven't ate, and we had a rough night / morning. Kaya was just really fussy for the first time most of the night, and I stayed up this time and let my husband rest. So yeah, it was a long night, and I'm still a bit tired. Even trying to feed her, she was fussy. I don't know what it was. So I came out here to the living room and really bundled her up well and put her in the boppy, and I just sat there. I laid on the couch right next to her in the boppy until she started to fall asleep, and we just slept out there. This went on until about 2 o'clock this morning. We also hit a cold front that started like last night. So like last night it was like, it got down to like 50 degrees. And like this morning it's only like 40, 45-ish right now. The high's supposed to be like, I think 55 or like around 58 degrees. And then our low for tonight is supposed to be in the 30s, which I'm excited about. I get so excited about that, and people that, you know, are from Florida and live here absolutely hate it. Have not seen me since I had breakfast, so I'm back now in the office. Kaya is still napping, so she's probably gonna be waking up soon because she's been moving around a lot, making noise on the camera, so it's just a matter of time. But there's really nothing exciting going on today. It's really gonna be a schoolwork type of day, catching up type of day for me, in terms of things I need to do while I'm at home. So also ignore my hair. I do want to go ahead and blow dry it and straighten it. This is my last and final week of class for the semester, which I was saying in my recent upload I have on my channel. So my class I have tonight and going forward for this week, everything is online over Zoom. There's our last group project for this class is being presented. Our presentations are tonight, which they're going to be done over Zoom as well. So I need to finish up my portion of the project, and my other group members have reached out this morning and they're still finishing up things as well. So I'm going to be working on that. Also, my class that I have on Saturdays, there is a final paper that's due this Saturday, and it has to be 4 pages total, so I need to start working on that as well because I haven't started. The business launch portfolio project, the final draft of it is actually due for my Saturday class this Saturday as well, so both assignments are due the same day. or whatever, and then that's it for the class. Almost 2 o'clock. I am still trying to get work done on this project. That's why you don't wait till last minute, but sometimes your best work comes out at the last minute. I don't know. It's been such a drag trying to get it done, but I'm really trying to push myself, and now I'm like really hungry and I want to have like a little bit of a lunch. So I don't know, I had a taste for mac and cheese, so I'm gonna make this box of Annie's mac and cheese that I forgot we bought. I think we picked these up at Target a little while ago. We're gonna snack on a couple slices of the turkey breast that we still have left over from Thanksgiving, and then after today I probably am not planning to eat any more of it. There's not that much left anyway, it's almost gone, but like, you know, it's almost a week now since we had Thanksgiving, and I'm like pretty much over Thanksgiving food now. You guys let me know in the comments below of this video, how long do you eat your Thanksgiving leftover food for, and when do you decide, okay, it's time to throw it away, or, you know, not eat it anymore. Alright guys, so there you have it. There's our mac and cheese. It tastes amazing. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So I'm going to eat this, and I think this is going to be me ending the vlog. I'm pretty much going to end the vlog here, only because, again, I still need to finish my the rest of my project so I can let my group know, and then eventually we have to submit it, and then class starts at 6, so I mean there's not much I'm really going to do between now and 6 o'clock. I'm just going to be chilling once I get done with the project. Probably go and attempt to do my hair, or at least start doing my hair maybe. I don't know that I'll get it done by 6, and I don't want to rush myself either, because it's already after 2 o'clock now. So Kaya's eventually going to wake up again from this nap to eat again. Taking you guys through tomorrow to show you all of the Christmas decor that we've put out in our place, what we have on the front door, what we have here inside the house. I'll be showing you guys all that, and I may get in the spirit a little bit later today or something and work on some of the project ideas and stuff I had in mind for my Etsy shop, and maybe I'll take you guys along through me working on some of those projects tomorrow in the video as well. So just stay tuned. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's first Vlogmas video. Please be sure to give this video a like and thumbs it up. It really helps me, and I really appreciate the support. Please make sure you are subscribing to my channel, because we are trying to reach that goal of at least 250 subscribers, and we are fairly close. I love you guys very much, and I will see you in day 2 of Vlogmas. Bye. Say happy Vlogmas, everyone. Say happy Vlogmas.